Mopar guy said, what cars from Mopar are worth buying nowadays? Wife want a new Jeep Grand Cherokee, but I don't know. I'm scared of the three. No, Mopar guy. Listen, Mopar guy, MP guy. Listen, the new 16 and up Grand Cherokee don't have them problems, man. It's the Generation 3. Mopar guy, get your significant other, your heart, your rib, your wife, get her the Grand Cherokee. Make sure it's a 2016 or higher. Okay, they don't have those same ridiculous problems as the Gen 1 and the Gen 2. All right, so have no fear, Mopar guy. You came to the right channel. Online mechanic tips, Tom Cook and hella guy. Hey, I met another guy that did some comments on one of the videos. I found out he was a dealer guy. So I can't remember his name, but Mopar guy. Yes, man. Yes. Jeep Grand Cherokee 2016 or higher. It has the Gen 3 Pentastar engine with the EGR cooler and the complete overhaul valve train. So all that ticking nonsense. No, that Jeep may be even equipped. It's going to be equipped with the 8-speed ZF rear-wheel drive transmission. So you got a double whammy. You got a damn good transmission and a damn good engine and a damn good body in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Oh, that's what's up, man. A ticking noise when I push the accelerator in a 13 Chrysler 300 3.6. Trey Brown. That is not good, okay? You should not be riding around with a damn ticking noise. See what I'm saying? In fact, y'all see what happened? I was at Brothers Motors, that Hemi that we was doing, found that bent push rod. That guy, I mean, it's only so much you're going to get out of the customer, right? You can say, come on, player, be honest with me. How long has car been ticking? Did you overheat it? Was it one? I mean, come on now. Oh, man, I'm telling you, dog, it ain't do none of that, man. I'm telling you, man, it wasn't doing nothing, man. It just started ticking real hard. I'm like, listen here, look, guy. Any knock gonna eventually start off as a tick. It's like brakes. They're gonna start off squeaking, and if prolonged driving, you're gonna end up scrubbing, right? So you're gonna leave from a squeak to a freaking scrub. Same with an engine in some cases. You'll leave from a ticking to a tick, tock, 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 knock, 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 knock. And then you go run into a shop and not tell them the truth. Man, what happened? Where did I go? Ticking order. That's not cool, Trey. We got to get that looked at, man. You in the Atlanta area, man? Holla at your boy, man. Brothers Motors, all right? Snellville, Atlanta, Georgia. If you're in the Atlanta area. If not, you in trouble, dude. Hey, they cleaning house out there on these type of repairs. They knocking people over the head. Who knows what people charging now, man? The job has become semi-fairly easy because of dummies like me putting videos out showing the world how to do them. Okay, just because I want some YouTube views and revenue, shame on me. But I pride myself in helping the DIY guy out. But guys, I just found out it's not just a DIY channel. It's some high-powered shops out there. I got a question. I got a question from a guy from a high-powered shop. Now, how do I say it? I don't want to sound insensitive, but it's not the only DIY guys not watching. Some big boys out there watch, and I feel kind of proud. But you know what I'm saying? Those people, those kind, they jump in looking for answers and leave, so they do not benefit me at all. As opposed to a DIY guy who sit there and watch the whole video and actually learn something. These guys not really trying to learn something; they trying to figure out something, and they want quick answers. So they may watch the video 10 seconds, and that will hurt the video performance, right? So that's why it's dangerous and risky to be doing videos with clickbait, okay? Because you clickbait somebody, they go in and watch it 3 seconds, they find out they've been clickbait, they're out of here. Now your average time watch has been shrunk because you decided to name your video something clickbaitoputalish. Is that a damn word? But man, I'm out. All right, I got off topic. I'm sorry. Where did I leave off? Trey, no, get that fixed, man, ASAP, because the risk is you're gonna end up eating up some camshafts. Okay, yeah, you're gonna wind up eating up cam lobes on a camshaft. Right now, you may not need no camshaft. See what I'm saying? No, you may be cool. Just may be a little simple tick, a rock arm on the way out. You may be fine, but if you prolong it, you will eventually. Hey, my man, Roderick Johnson in the building. Brothers Motors. Everybody say hello to my partner in crime, at Brothers Motors. What was he doing today? I got some footage I'm about to upload soon, guys. He a typical 3.6, guys. Yes, they still show up. He had a challenge over there, black Challenger, with some ticking noise. We put new rock arms on it. Now, Trey, same thing with this guy. He didn't prolong it. He called us when he heard the ticking noise. And yes, I got footage. I found it. We tore it apart. I went over, actually saw the rocker in question. And it's enough to cause a ticking noise, but it's barely moving, which means he didn't damage a lobe, which means he was able to save money. Okay, if your brakes squeaking, get them fixed before it starts scrubbing. You follow me? Okay. That's what's up. Big Rod, thanks for tuning in, man. What's going on over there? I hope you're not still over there. It's kind of dark. It's getting dark right now, bro. You don't do it. Mopar guy, that's what's up, man. Tom Cook, I still have not had to do any engine work on the Gen 3.6. Yes, me either. The Gen 3.6. I talked to somebody. Well, somebody commented on one of the videos. He had I forgot his name, and it was his own personal car, so he had to tear it apart, do valve. He pretty much says the same thing as the first gen. So when I say this, guys, I'm speaking for me. I'm not saying there is none out there that's breaking. When I go to the training center, the Chrysler Training Center, that's some guys in class that would say they've been in one. They done been in a couple. Okay. So, but you got to also keep in mind there's a large number of those vehicles out there. So the 1 or 2 they doing is maybe 1 or 2%. That is extremely low considering how many out there. Now, you can any and everything. There's a chance of any and everything. Nothing is bulletproof, in other words. So things are going to happen. There will be a few that fail, but you can't, in my opinion, you can't correlate that into the previous Gen 1 and Gen 2 engines because it's a totally different valve train, guys. That's my point. All right. So they redid the valve train to where that problem will be minimized. All right, let me say it like that. Yes, good word. Me either, Tom. You will know when I do one because guess what? The camera coming out, baby. Yes, I will give me some footage. You best believe that. I don't care where I'm at. I don't care, man. It's not a Hemi, Trey. I know it's not. I know that's not a Hemi, but I was just using it as an example, Trey. Yeah, you got the 3.6. You stated in there you had the 3.6. But it doesn't matter what it is. I wouldn't let it go on ticking for too long because Hemi is the same way. If the roller needle bearings inside of a rolling bearings on a Hemi engine start to fail, it's going to do the same thing as a Pentastar. And the damage that's created is the camshaft. The lobe on the camshaft will get chewed into. Then you could create a misfire. Anytime you got a car in the shop, guy, that has a misfire and a ticking noise, chances are they're related. Yes, they are related. Yes, they are related. So I got you, Trey. That's what's up, man.